Robo Hauler AI Truck. Complete specifications and review. 1. Overview. The Robo Hauler AI Truck is a next-generation autonomous smart truck designed for long-haul transportation. Equipped with advanced AI technology, it can drive itself, communicate with drivers, and optimize routes to save fuel and time. Its modern aerodynamic design and heavy-duty performance make it a beast on highways. 2. Body and exterior design material. High-strength aluminum alloy mixed with carbon fiber panels for durability and lightweight performance. Design. Sleek, aerodynamic structure reduces air drag, improving fuel efficiency by up to 12%. Cabin style. Smart, futuristic cabin with 360-degree sensors for better AI navigation. Dimensions. Length, 22 feet. Width, 8.2 feet. Height, 10.5 feet. Ground clearance, 12 inches, perfect for rough highways. LED lighting system, equipped with adaptive matrix LED headlights and daytime running lights for safe night driving. 3. Engine and performance. Engine type. Hybrid. AI-controlled turbo diesel plus electric motor. Horsepower. 650 horsepower. Torque. 1,850 Newton meters. Perfect for heavy cargo. Transmission. 12-speed automatic smart shift gearbox. Top speed. 140 kilometers per hour. AI automatically limits speed for safety. Fuel type. Diesel plus regenerative electric battery. Fuel efficiency. Aero, 8.5 kilometers per liter with AI Eco Mode enabled. AI Eco Mode enabled. AI drive modes. 1. Eco Mode, saves fuel. 2. Highway Mode, faster cruising. 3. Autopilot Mode, fully autonomous driving. 4. Manual Mode, driver control enabled. 4. Tires and suspension. Tire size, 24.5-inch ultra-grip heavy-duty radial tires. Material, heat-resistant rubber, perfect for long highway drives. Tire pressure monitoring. Built-in AI sensors monitor real-time pressure, suspension system. Front, independent double wishbone suspension. Rear, heavy-duty air suspension. Braking system. Advanced disc brakes plus regenerative braking for improved control. 5. Interior and technology. Smart dashboard. 15-inch AI touch display with route optimization, weather reports, and live traffic data. Voice command. Talk to your Robo Hauler in English. It responds like a human assistant. Seating. Ergonomic memory foam leather seats with heating and cooling. Connectivity. 5G plus Wi-Fi for real-time updates. Safety features. Lane keeping assist. Automatic collision avoidance. 360-degree AI surveillance cameras. Fatigue detection system. 6. Strengths. Pros.